We're here at Greenvale AP in Duns, putting an oxygen structure up, which is a 20 metre wide structure, 30 metres long on a 6 metre eave.
The structure needed to be weatherproof, keep the product dry inside, protect from the wind, and the dome structure is going to be really useful when it snows in the winter. We also needed the structure to be clean and dry inside because we don't want our products getting dirty or wet. So Spazio Tempo came up with the idea of a temporary building. We needed to get access to the building internally, so it was a very tight space and Spazio managed to make it fit just nicely.
It's very interesting to follow the structures from the design process, initial site visits, to actually being here, installing the building, and then to come back and see it as the finished product. From sales to operations, we work very close together to deliver a really high standard project for our customers.
On this project, because it's the first oxygen building in the UK and you can get quite bad weather, the oxygen building is calculated to 28 metres per second. So it gives the customer a much more robust building. The customer, by choosing Spazio Tempo and the oxygen, was a pioneer. It's the first in the UK and they've saved money on having to install a permanent building.
The temporary building went up very quickly. They were on site for 2 weeks. The lads that were on site communicated very well when they needed to use that space, and we just worked around them and it went really smoothly and really quickly.
The installations teams are second to none. The support from the office is second to none. So the customer has a real consultative approach from Spazio from start to finish. And once the building's installed, the customer still can pick up the phone, and I often pop by to visit the customers just to see how things are going. Everything that we've offered them is exactly what they've wanted and hasn't impacted on their day-to-day business during the installation.
The main difference for us is the extra space. We now house all our equipment in the one temporary building, whereas previously, when it was internal, we had a little bit of equipment here, a little bit of equipment there. It wasn't all in one place, and now we have extra space for the finished packed product inside.
We have lots of things we can do to adapt our structures to the customer's needs. So if it may be 10 metre portal beams, linked buildings, we really try and go the extra mile to meet our needs of our customers and keep the customer satisfaction to a high standard.
They've supplied us with a very good product with little hassle, and they've ensured that everything was to our satisfaction on the way.